I get asked this question all the time. How do I secretly look at someone's LinkedIn profile and they not know I did it? I get it. There are lots of people who have a need to look at LinkedIn profiles secretly. If you're a member of the NSA or CIA or FBI, or maybe you're a member of the KGB, or maybe you're a private investigator or a bail bondsman. And sometimes recruiters think it's important to look at LinkedIn profiles anonymously as well. So I'm going to give you the 3 ways that I teach people to look at LinkedIn profiles secretly. Here they are right here. Number 1, change your privacy settings on LinkedIn. Show you where to do that. Go to Settings and Privacy, right here. In Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy. Scroll down to the section How Others See Your LinkedIn Profile. Click on Profile Viewing Options, and here's where you change it. Change it to either Private Mode or Private Profile Characteristics. Private Mode is what most people go for. And wait a few minutes, and then go look at that person's profile. Wait a few more minutes, and then change it back. So you're viewing profiles the way you normally would. That's the number 1 way to secretly look at someone's profile and they not know it was you. The number 2 way, look at someone's profile and they not know it's you. Use a incognito window or a web browser that's not logged into LinkedIn so that you can look at them through a Google search without being logged in. Show you what I mean. I'm going to go to File, New Incognito Window. I'm going to go to Google. From the Google search window, I'm going to do a site search. site:linkedin.com/IN. And I'm going to look for a profile. In this case, I'm going to look for my own. So I'm doing a site search through Google in an incognito window, which means it's not connected to my LinkedIn. There's my LinkedIn profile. You can do that for any name. You can also do Boolean searches. You can do names and titles and region. And then there's the profile, and I'm going to click on it. Doing this search without being logged into LinkedIn gives me a fair amount of data, but not the entire profile. I can see the headline, the region, the industry. All of these are hyperlinks, so I can go to their website. I can go to his website. I can see his post. I can see his summary. I can see the experience section, previous experience. I can see the education, volunteer. What I can't see is skills and endorsements, certifications. I can't see all accomplishments. I can see courses and projects. I can see publications. It's a trimmed down version of the LinkedIn profile. And I can always go back to Google search and I can change and look for someone else. I can go look for Mr. Steve Rayburn. There's his profile. Click on that. Again, it's not the full profile, but it gives me a little bit more insight into this person. Now here's the 3rd way to look at someone's LinkedIn profile without them knowing you did it. And that is to ask someone else to bring their profile up and to create a PDF. And here's how you do that. You go to the person's profile, you click on More, Save to PDF. When you save to a PDF, it's going to create a PDF file, typically in your download folder, and you view it. And this is a profile that's even more condensed. Interestingly enough, I'm not showing it for you, but I can see the email address and the phone number. If I create a PDF of a first level connection, it will include their email address and their phone number as well as the other URLs that are on their profile. I can see only the top 3 skills. I can see certifications and publications on the left-hand side. And then I can see the headline, the region. I can see the summary. I can see his experience section. I can see the education. And that's it. So again, it's collapsed even more than it was from a Google incognito search. And it's not all of what you can see when you were looking at someone's profile as you are logged in LinkedIn. These are the 3 ways to do clandestine or secret private viewing of people's LinkedIn profiles. Hope that was helpful.